Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. I thank you very much for your kindly receiving me. This is the first time I am coming in this country, Sweden. So, this Krishna consciousness movement is spreading all over the world gradually. It is little difficult to understand the purport of this movement because it is completely on the spiritual platform. Generally, people do not understand what is spiritual platform. So, as we can understand that we are combination of two things. Every one of us, living being, we are at the present moment combination of spirit and matter. Matter we can understand, but on account of our long association with the matter, we cannot understand what is that spirit. But we can imagine that there is something which distinguishes a dead body and living body. That we can understand. When a man is dead, suppose my father is dead or somebody relative is dead, we lament that my father is no more, he has gone away. But where he has gone, the father is lying on the bed. Why do you say, my father has gone away? If somebody says that your father is lying, sleeping on the bed, why you are crying that your father has gone away? He has not gone, he is sleeping there. But that sleep is not this sleep, ordinary sleep as we have daily. That sleep means eternal sleep. Actually we have no eyes to see who is my father. During the lifetime of my father, I did not know who is my father. Therefore, when the actual father goes away, we cry that my father is gone. That is spirit. Who has gone away from that body, that is spirit soul. Otherwise, why is speaking that my father is gone? The body is there. So, first of all, we have to understand this distinction between the spirit, soul, and this material body. If we can understand what is that spirit, soul, then we can understand what is the spiritual movement. Otherwise, simply on material understanding, it is very difficult to understand what is spiritual life or spiritual platform. But there is. We can simply feel like that at the present moment. But there is a spiritual world, spiritual life. And what is that spiritual life? Complete freedom. Complete freedom. Eternity. blissful and full of knowledge. That is spiritual life. Completely distinct from this bodily concept of life. Spiritual life means eternity, blissful life of knowledge. In this material life means non-permanent, ignorance and full of misery. This body means it will not stay, and it is always full of miserable condition, and there is no blissfulness.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.